All right, here's TQQQ. So let's take a look at it here. Of course, we know the high back in July. This was actually that wick, 85.20. We go down all the way to 50. That was a great buy here, great short. Coming again, we don't reach that high again. We stop out here, 73.16, excuse me. Go down here, but see these moves here, this down here, up. We didn't test this low. We didn't test this high here, so we're in between. So right now, look at this oversold right here. You could say it was 9.04 stochastics. Good time to buy. After this, you have green, green. Like what happens? You're taking it day by day. Is this going to form a green then a red? We go down. Of course, you don't buy then. You're just taking it. You're looking at points to buy. Being very oversold. Now you don't buy here because look at this streamline down. You don't have a crossover or even touching like this on stochastics. Say we went to 58. This big candle here is a massive move that day. It went all the way down to 58 and we bounced. Here we're at 70.13, so the high here is 73.16. So we're trying to break that. We'll see what happens next week. We're overbought 83.16, but we can go higher. Depends on the market what happens next week. We can break that. I think it's possible. If we do, I'm looking for it to go a little above, maybe 75. I'll look for that immediate number right there, 75. Let's look at the weekly, or let's look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is coming down from the peak a little bit though. Stochastics 97. Right here, stochastics 90. So we are maybe peaking there. We'll see if that means anything. Weekly, you had to move down, crossed up, move down again, but crossing. Right now it's ready to cross over. So you can draw your line here. That's bullish. And then you could say, oh, we're going way back up there. We'll see if that happens. Monthly looks like this peak too. I'm looking at the monthly chart. 93.95 was 229 2024. 93, this was March 28th. Look at this go down. We're straight down on the monthly, so that is still bearish to me on the monthly. On the quarterly, straight up, we're still bullish. You have a little wiggle here of a line, so it's way above the TMAs here. So that's where we're at here. So short term, this is a great swing from the low. You can see all these lows down here. That was back after July, August, and eventually we just went up. Found the move up. Back again, we're up. Not the best time to buy, but it depends. We might have momentum and keep going. We'll see what next week brings. If it's a sign, if it tells anything, we're just start to get green candles. We start moving up momentum. Any news, we'll see if that changes anything in the market. So there's your points here. Now, if you're looking for that break too of above 72, 75 when we go up, of course, but look for the low here. You want this to hold the 66. If we have a small little move come down, watch this line right here. I would say 60, 62-ish. We have a little pullback right there on TQQQ.